Rule 1. Hi, I'm Ace Ho, the director of Effortless English, and welcome to the free 7 Rules and More course. Today is Rule 1. Now, Rule 1 is learn English plus not individual words. This is on the like also as rules. It's very simple, very easy, and like the other rules. This rule is very, very powerful. So simply, so powerful. What's the rule? The rule is always learn pairs, not individuals. So simple. So a phrase is a group of words. This is not. You can have a whole sentence, but just a is even a part of sentence. So, for example, let's say you have the word hat, hat, and you want to learn its new word. You can, just write down the word hat, and then you will find in the dictionary the meaning, and then your memory has has. That's always that kind of textbook way, the school way, right? In school, you probably remember a lot of individual words. You have so big vocabulary list. You try to memorize all of them. Try to remember all these all the individual things words. This is not a way. It's not a good way to learn. But better if you learn a phrase, a word of words, a group, a group, group of words, and where do you find the phrase? You find the phrase in the real English podcast that you are listening to, in the real English book that you are reading. So you don't memorize a list in the book. No, no, no. You listen to read English, and when you have a new word, you write it down. Or with you are reading a book and you see a new word, you write it down. But do not just write down that word. You wanna write down the whole phrase, sentences that it's in. All it so it is observing has and you should write down has you should say. You would write down John has ice cream. You write down the whole price. Why do we do it? That's the power of press. Wow, press gives you a lot of information, much information. Number one, press are easier to remember because they have meaning. They have a kind of a picture of star, especially when you read them from things that you are reading or listening to. You will remember it. John had ice cream. You remember the whole store. You remember the whole is. You remember that he had ice cream, and then you remember he had it. He didn't like it, right? So you have all the extra piece information. All the extra information help you remember the meaning of price and the meaning of the word. So it helps your memory much easier to remember. Number two, the bullet. When you learn Pratt, you are learning grammar also. You are not only learning an individual word, you are learning grammar. You are learning how to use that word correctly. You don't need to think about the grammar. You don't need to know the rules. It's automatic. This another way that later speakers learn grammar. Because when with children, we learn with pleasure. We learn a lot of words not just one word by word. Word by word is slow and it doesn't have and you don't learn any grammar. But when you learn a whole phrase, you write down the phrase. You are getting extra information. Maybe you don't know it, but you are. For example, John had ice cream. The hat was just on the end his right. So his wow. You know from grammar studies that you close. You know you are so making the subject and the verb agree. You don't need to think about that. So write down the phrase John has ice cream and study it and review it. Always learn the phrase, not just language and so in the future, whenever you say he has ice cream, she has ice cream, you will add the s s right? Because that's how you learn it. You learn it correctly. You learn it from a class. On the other hand, if you learn it from a textbook, you learn what has mean that's not lie, and you only learn and, and you only learn that from head, head, and you memory it. That when you start making mistakes because you learn it only the own way. You didn't learn it with other rules. Some so sometimes you will say he hates ice cream. You will forget the because you never learned it correctly in a sentence in a phrase. So this is a very simple rule. A last rule in the core. Very important. Every time you find a new word, always write the phrase or the sentence. When you review that word again, when you study it again, always study the entire phrase of sentence. Never start just the word, always the whole phrase. Use it every time. The grammar will begin to improve. It improves much faster, and you will remember the vocabulary faster and more easily. And you will use that vocabulary more quickly. So you will a lot of great benefits. A lot of great stuff happen when you learn fast instead of words. So press, press, learn them. I hope you enjoy the rule number one. Use it rules. Now the homework is to get a little press notebook. So when you find new English vocabulary in the lesson, in something you are listening to, in a book, in an article, write down the phrase, not just one word. Write down the entire whole phrase that you find, and then review that phrase again and again each day. And you will secret a notebook full of phrases, full of sentences, not individual words, never an individual word. Okay, so that's rule one. Tomorrow you will get another email with rule number two. So I will see you tomorrow.